Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel FlavourSalt.com. Today, we're diving into something sweet, something spiced, and honestly, something that's going to make your kitchen smell amazing. Yep, you guessed it, we're making carrot cake. Now, before you start picturing a plain, old vegetable dessert, let me tell you this is no ordinary carrot cake. It's moist, fluffy, and packed with flavor. Plus, it's got that cream cheese frosting that will have you licking the spatula. So, let's get our aprons on and dive into this deliciousness. Alright, first things first, let's gather what we need. You're going to need: take the carrots and peel them. Cut the carrots into pieces. Take a blender and blend the carrots now. Take a bowl and add all-purpose flour. Add baking powder. Add baking soda. Add salt now. Now mix all the ingredients together. Now take a bowl and add eggs in it. Now beat the eggs. Now add sugar and also blend it. Now add orange zest. Now add orange juice and mix it well. Now add vegetable oil and mix it. Now add your mixture of all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt. Now, mix it with a spatula. Now add all the shredded carrots to the mixture and mix well. Now take a baking pan and put butter paper in it. Now add all the batter in the pan. At last, add the raisins. They taste delicious. Take a baking stick and move it around to prevent bubbles from forming. Now bake it for 90 minutes. See, cake is out of the oven, and it looked perfect. Just look at that golden brown color. Let it cool now. And there you have it, guys. An absolutely gorgeous carrot cake that not only looks like a dream but tastes like a slice of heaven. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more sweet creations. Until next time, keep baking and stay sweet.